Hey everyone, it's me Deja. I am back. I know I've been gone for a long time. Look, I'm gonna catch you guys up in another video. But right now I just wanna give you heads up to be stay tuned and look out because I'm going to be actually doing a lot of fall content very soon. Basically next week, like DIY videos, decorating videos, decorating with me kind of videos, like organizing that you can end up doing, like that you probably need like right now to be organized and get prepared for like your kids going to school or you going to school, just whatever it is, to be organized and prepared for what's going to be ahead of us for this month coming up, which will be September and that's fall. So please be on the lookout. I'm gonna go catch y'all guys later. As I always say, this is Luchis. See you guys later next video for fall content. See ya. You don't want to miss it. Trust me, you don't.